Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, a very special welcome to you as well. Thank you so much for clicking on that button. I know that the thumbnail brought you over here, and you're in for a real treat today. So today we're preparing this delicious salmon along with some garlic butter shrimp. We're going to be throwing both of those on the grill, and when I tell you it's delicious, it's absolutely delicious. So if you're looking for like an easy meal that doesn't take long, you're in the right place. You can prepare this on the weekdays, and this will not take you long at all, and it'll also be very delicious. Now, there's not going to be any talking in the video. Instead, I'm just going to list the ingredients for you, play some music, sit back, relax, guys, enjoy. And if you decide to make this meal, put it in the comment section below. Let me know how it turned out for you. we about to reveal this yummy goodness. So, my mouth is watering already. So this is the creamy mashed potatoes. This is the garlic butter shrimp.
The main course.
You say the main course too?
Yeah.
And the main course, of course. This is the star of the show. This lemon garlic butter salmon. Ooh, blackened salmon. We grilled this to perfection. This baby looking good. Now everybody's good, okay? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. And also, if you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also smash that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. Usually at the end, I would like kind of videotape like a plate of the food. But this dinner was so good that I forgot to do it. We just went ahead and fixed our plates. And we sat down and we ate. And the food was absolutely delicious. I hope that you tried this recipe. I'll have a link for you again in the description box below. But until then, guys, continue to take care of yourselves and also your families. And I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.